Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is one of the most visually striking fruits in the world. It grows from a cactus plant, not a tree, which already makes it unique. This cactus originally comes from Central and South America, but today dragon fruit is grown in many tropical and subtropical regions, including Asia, Africa, and parts of the Middle East. There are several types of dragon fruit: pink skin with white flesh, pink skin with red or purple flesh, yellow skin with white flesh. Inside the fruit are tiny black seeds that are completely edible and rich in healthy fats, despite its dramatic appearance, which makes many people underestimate it. But nutritionally, it is far from mild. Dragon fruit is low in calories yet rich in fiber, vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and powerful plant compounds called antioxidants. This rare combination is exactly why scientists and nutrition experts are paying close attention to dragon fruit, not for how it looks, but for how it works inside the body. 1. Gut healing fruit most people ignore. One of the most overlooked benefits of dragon fruit is its powerful effect of gut health. Dragon fruit contains a special type of fiber called prebiotic fiber. Unlike regular fiber that simply adds bulk to stool, prebiotics automatically feed the good bacteria living in your intestines. Why is this important? Well, this is important because your gut contains trillions of bacteria, and the balance between good and bad bacteria determines how well your body functions. When good bacteria thrive, digestion becomes smoother, constipation and bloating reduce, nutrients are absorbed more efficiently, and harmful bacteria are kept under control. Scientific studies show that prebiotics increase beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, which are linked to better digestion and stronger immunity. And here's something many people don't realize. A healthy gut doesn't only affect digestion. It also influences energy levels, mood and mental clarity, immune strength, and inflammation levels. That means by simply adding dragon fruit to your diet, you're supporting your gut and indirectly supporting your entire body system. 2. Rich in antioxidants that fight cell damage. Dragon fruit is rich in several powerful antioxidants that protect your body at a cellular level. The most important ones include betalains, responsible for the red and purple color; vitamin C, supports immunity and skin health; polyphenols, plant compounds linked to disease prevention. Antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that damage healthy cells. Free radicals damage, also called oxidative stress, has been linked by science to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, chronic inflammation, faster aging, and degenerative conditions. When oxidative stress builds up over time, cells become damaged and inflammation increases. By eating antioxidant-rich foods like dragon fruit, you help your body protect cells from damage, slow down aging processes, reduce inflammation, support long-term disease prevention. This is why nutrition experts often say health starts at the cellular level, and dragon fruit helps protect these cells. 3. Supports heart health naturally. Dragon fruits support heart health in several powerful but gentle ways, which is why it's often recommended to heart-friendly diets. First, let's talk about fiber. Dragon fruit contains soluble fiber, which helps lower bad LDL cholesterol by binding it to the digestive system and helping the body remove it. Lower LDL cholesterol means less plaque buildup in the arteries and better blood flow. Next are the tiny black seeds inside the fruit. These seeds are rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids and omega-9 fatty acids. These fats help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, improve cholesterol balance, and support flexible, healthy arteries. Then comes the antioxidants. Antioxidants in dragon fruits reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the blood vessels. This is important because inflammation damages artery walls and increases the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Scientific research consistently shows that diets rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants are associated with a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. In simple terms, dragon fruit helps keep cholesterol in check, protect blood vessels, and improve circulation, which means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to do its job. 4. Helps control blood sugar levels. Even though dragon fruit tastes slightly sweet and refreshing, it has a low glycemic impact, meaning it doesn't cause sudden spikes in blood sugar. This makes it very different from many sweet fruits and processed snacks. Here's why dragon fruit is blood sugar friendly. First, fiber slows digestion. When fiber is present, sugar is absorbed gradually into the bloodstream instead of all at once. This prevents sharp rise and crashes in blood sugar levels. Second, dragon fruit contains antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in the pancreas, the organ responsible for insulin production. Some studies suggest these antioxidants may improve insulin sensitivity and support better glucose metabolism. This is specifically helpful for people with insulin-resistant, prediabetes, and metabolic imbalance. While dragon fruit is not a treatment, research suggests that regular consumption as part of a balanced diet may help improve blood sugar control. That's why dragon fruit is considered a smart fruit choice for people who want something sweet without stressing their blood sugar. 5. Boosts immunity without pills. Dragon fruit helps strengthen your immune system naturally without the need for supplements or pills. It does this in 3 ways. First is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting immune cells from damage. Second is iron. Iron helps oxygen travel through the bloodstream. When immune cells receive enough oxygen, they function more efficiently and respond faster to threats like viruses and bacteria. Third and most important is prebiotic fiber. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. When your gut bacteria are healthy and balanced, immune responses become stronger and more controlled. By feeding good gut bacteria, dragon fruit strengthens immune defense, reduces inflammation, helps the body respond better to infections. So instead of focusing on immunity during illness, adding dragon fruit regularly helps build strong immune foundation every day. 6. A skin glow fruit from the inside out. Dragon fruit is often called a beauty fruit, and this isn't just a trend. It's backed by science. Healthy skin starts with protecting your cells from damage, and dragon fruit does exactly that. Its antioxidants help fight free radicals, which are one of the main causes of wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin tone, and premature aging. Dragon fruit is also rich in vitamin C, a nutrient your body needs to produce collagen. Collagen is the protein that keeps the skin firm, smooth, and elastic. As we age, collagen naturally declines, which is why skin begins to sag and lose glow. By supporting collagen formation, dragon fruit helps skin stay firm, heal faster, and maintain elasticity. Another key benefit is its ability to reduce inflammation. Inflammation inside the body often shows up on the skin as acne, redness, puffiness, and dull skin complexion. The antioxidants and plant compounds in dragon fruit help calm this inflammation, allowing skin to look clearer and more balanced. Studies show that diets rich in antioxidant-dense fruits are linked to slower aging and improved skin texture. So that glow many people try to achieve with expensive creams, it often starts from the inside with what you eat. 7. Supports weight management and fullness. Dragon fruit is an excellent fruit choice for people trying to manage their weight without extreme dieting. It is low in calories, so you can eat it without guilt. High in water, which adds volume and hydration. Rich in fiber, which promotes fullness. This powerful combination helps you feel satisfied for longer periods, reducing unnecessary snacking and overeating. Fiber plays a major role here. When fiber slows digestion, food stays in the stomach longer. Hunger hormones decreases. Blood sugar remains more stable. This prevents sudden hunger crashes that often lead to cravings for sugary or processed foods. Another benefit is that dragon fruit provides steady energy rather than quick sugar highs followed by fatigue. That's why it's a smart snack for people trying to lose weight, maintain weight, or simply eat more mindfully. 8. May help reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent problem linked to many long-term health conditions including arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Unlike short-term inflammation, which helps the body heal, chronic inflammation slowly damages tissues and organs over time. Dragon fruit contains antioxidants and plant compounds that help reduce oxidative stress, one of the main triggers of chronic inflammation. These compounds work by neutralizing inflammatory molecules, protecting cells from damage, and supporting healthy immune responses. Research suggests that diets rich in antioxidants containing fruits help lower inflammation markers in the body. While dragon fruit is not a medicine, regularly including anti-inflammatory foods like like it in your diet can support joint comfort, protect blood vessels, improve metabolic health, and reduce disease risk over time. Small dietary choices repeated daily can create big long-term health benefits. Now, best ways to eat dragon fruit. To get maximum health benefits from dragon fruit, how you eat it matters. The simplest and most effective ways is to eat it fresh and ripe. When dragon fruit is fully ripe, its antioxidants and vitamin contents are at their peak. Simply slice it in half and scoop out the flesh. Dragon fruit also works beautifully in smoothies. Blending it with other fruits like berries, banana, or mango increases the variety of antioxidants, giving your body broader protection against oxidative stress. Another great option is mixing dragon fruit with yogurt or oatmeal. This combination is especially powerful because fiber from dragon fruit supports digestion. Protein from yogurt keeps you full longer, and oats improve blood sugar stability. You can also combine dragon fruit with other fruits in a fruit bowl or salad. Pairing different colors of fruits increases the range of plant compounds your body receives, something nutrition experts strongly recommend. And here's an important tip many people overlook. Eat the seeds too. Those tiny black seeds contain healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. Important note, balance matters. Dragon fruit is very safe for most people and suitable for regular consumption. However, like all fiber-rich foods, moderation is important. If your body isn't used to high-fiber diet, eating too much dragon fruit at once may cause bloating, gas, or mild digestive discomfort. This doesn't mean dragon fruit is harmful. It simply means your gut needs time to adjust. The best approach is to start with small portions, eat it a few times a week, then gradually increase intake as your digestion adapts. Listening to your body ensures you enjoy all the benefits without discomfort. Dragon fruit isn't just an exotic fruit meant for Instagram photos or special occasions. It's a gut healer, a heart protector, an antioxidant powerhouse, an immune booster, and a skin supporting food, all in one vibrant fruit. And the most surprising part is most people eat dragon fruit simply because it looks good, without realizing how powerful it truly is. So the next time you see dragon fruit at the market, you'll know the truth. You're not just buying a fruit, you're choosing better digestion, stronger immunity, healthier skin, and long-term wellness. And sometimes, better health really does come in most beautiful package. Thanks for watching. Bye.